Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your OLED sock which keeps saying connection issue. So here's a troubleshooting guide for your Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth. Fix 1, check your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network if required by your OLED model. Stay close to the base station during setup. Fix 2. Restart the devices. Unplug the OLED base station for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Turn your phone off and back on. Try connecting again. Fix 3. Check sock placement. Make sure the sensor is securely attached to the sock. Put the sock on your baby correctly so the sensor has good contact. Fix 4. Reconnect the sock. Open the OLED app. Remove the smart sock from your connected devices if available. Follow the in-app instructions to pair it again. Fix 5. Update the OLED app. Install the latest version of the OLED app from your device app store. If prompted, update the smart sock firmware. Fix 6. Move the base station. Place the base station in the same room as the sock. Keep it away from thick walls, microwaves, cordless phones, and other devices that may cause interference. Fix 7. Reset the base station. If the problem continues, reset the base station according to your OLED model's instruction, then set it up again. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.